Macmillan Practice Online, the easy way to learn online. Our learning tools are designed to be used anytime, anywhere, whether you're at school, home or abroad. For Macmillan Practice Online, any time is a convenient time. We deliver a truly mobile learning experience, tablet, laptop or desktop, whatever device you choose. Just register and log in. It's that easy. Our tools are comprehensive but affordable too. Designed to be a pure learning experience, everything is in one convenient place. Suitable for any teaching situation, for freelancers, distance teachers, class teachers, or in company. And if you're using a Macmillan coursebook, you'll find extra practice to go with these as well. With Macmillan Practice Online, everything a teacher needs to manage their students and classes is only a click away. For students, whether they are looking to improve general language skills, build on business vocabulary, or practice for exams, we've got it covered. So with Macmillan Education's 10 years experience of online learning and a pedigree of guaranteed quality, you couldn't be in better hands. We have hundreds of thousands of satisfied users worldwide. What are you waiting for? Log in today and choose a better way to teach and learn English. Macmillan Practice Online, the easy way to learn online.